Students, today I'm explaining you the important questions of third lesson, that is linear equations. In the third one exercise, that is third chapter 3.1, you have second question, you practice the second one, and of 3.2 you practice the second question. Yes, it is what form the pair of linear equation in the following problems and find their solution graphically. Okay, now among that one, you try the second one. Second question, main question on comparing the ratios, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel, are coincident. This one you have to practice all the sums, okay, because you have the conditions and all, you have given three questions, sub questions. You practice three of the second question. Very simple they are, because just you have to find the ratios, okay. Then next one, you go with the third question. In the third one, once again you are going to check the ratio of a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2. And what they ask here, once again, here the condition what they ask, consistent and inconsistent. For that one, it is very simple. First of all, you write the expression in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If it is not, then you check a1 upon a2 and the condition you go with consistent and inconsistent. I will solve. Once again, I am to say that one. You practice the first, fourth and the fifth one of the question, third main question. Yes. Among the first question, which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent? Once again, it is asked here, if consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Yes. So this is the sub question of that one. You are checking the consistency or inconsistency. If it is consistent, then you are solving the equation graphically. So you have to practice one or two. So first and second one you try. Then you have seventh question. Okay. Draw the graph of the equation. This you are given to equation. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the. This is important from the point of 4 marks. Okay, 99% of chances. Okay, getting this question. Often it is asked in many times and many exams it is asked. So practice the seventh question. Okay, very important it is. You are going to get a triangle. The lines intersect graphically when you draw, and you are going to get a triangle, and you are going to find the area of that triangle. Very simple question, but important. Then you go with 3.3. You in that 3.3 you take the question number of the one. You have first one you try, second one very simple they are, then fifth and sixth you need to practice this one. These questions you are going to get for 3 marks, okay, and if it is simple 2 marks, okay, you are going to get one question among the first question of 3.3, okay. So without fail you practice the questions, sums of this one, then give importance to these sums which I have marked here, okay. Then solve this equation and hence find the value of m. This is also once again important. Try this one. Solve the equations you are given and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. So here once again there is a chance of getting this one for 3 marks. So practice this one. Continuing the third one, once again here this one, okay. You are going to get form the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solutions by substitution method. Yes, so practice one of the two problems of this one. Then next you have third. In that third one, first one is what the difference between two numbers is 20. Simple questions they will be asked in the examination. Of the third one you practice the first. The difference between two numbers is 26. Very simple, and one number is 3 times the other. Simple concept here. You can easily form the equation. So you try this one. Then sixth one once again. Okay, here once again I want to say it is important. 5 years hence the age of one or the two questions on the base of ages you will be asked. Okay, so practice this question also. Most probably last question of this one exercises, and that to last exercise it will be asked compulsory for 4 marks. So you practice that question always. Now of the third one, sixth one you try. Okay, this is of Jacob's age. Very simple equation you will get here. So practice this one. Then moving to 3.4, here what it is asked, solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. Very simple concept, elimination and substitution method. So you practice the sums, first and fourth you give importance to those two questions. Then second one you have, and it is also important, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solutions if they exist. Okay, solutions by elimination method they told. So here the second one you try and the fourth one you try. What is second here? 5 years ago Nuri was thrice. Okay, once again age question you will be asked. Then Meena went to a bank, and it is once again important for 4 marks. You try this one, fourth one of the second. Okay, of exercise 3.4. Yes. Then moving to 3.5. Okay, last year this exercise was removed. Okay, by cross multiplication method. So now look at this one. So you have here some boards they have removed. Once again this one. See, if we have for the examination, you try this one. First question of among the first one, by cross multiplication you are going to solve the first and the fourth you practice of the first main question. Then from among the second one, you try for which value of k, okay, will the following pair of linear equations have no solution. This you try. Then form the pair of linear equation in the following situation you have. That is fourth question. If it is existing, then by any algebraic method, by any of the method, you are going to find the solution. Okay, and once again I want to say these questions are asked for 4 marks. So you practice of the fourth main question, third one, yes, and also the fifth one. Both are equally important. So you practice these 2 questions. So and if you cover this much, if you do the revision of these questions, it is more than enough. Okay, that is completing the whole lesson only.